Postgraduate Advanced Certification in Construction Management. About us. E&ICT Academy, IIT Guwahati. As an initiative of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, the Academy was set up at IIT Guwahati under the scheme of financial assistance for setting up electronics and ICT academies. On 26 March 2015, the project started at IIT Guwahati, and the Academy was inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The objective of the Academy is to provide skill training to the faculty members, engineering and non-engineering, in the area of recent trends in engineering and ICT application. The Academy is designing specialized modules for imparting quality training for enhancing employability and capacity building in the area of E and ICT. Protrainy is IIM Ahmedabad, ventures-backed upskilling platform for core engineering professionals, construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, etc. Through 30-plus programs, we have upskilled 16,000-plus professionals from 700-plus companies across India and 10 countries. We strive to create an online ecosystem for core technical engineers to equip themselves with industry-ready skills in construction and manufacturing sector. Introduction. The rising demand for construction management professionals. The construction industry is experiencing rapid evolution, fueled by urbanization, technological innovations, and increasing global infrastructure investments. Construction management is at the heart of this transformation, ensuring efficient project execution while embracing new tools and practices. Key industry insights and growth trends. Market size and growth. Technological transformation. Sustainability trends. Employment and career opportunities. Who is this program for? Civil, mechanical, electrical, safety engineers in construction sector. Construction professionals aspiring to become managers. Other construction sector professionals. Experienced professionals having experience of more than 1 year. Real estate, infrastructure, EPC, etc. projects. What makes this program stand out? 120-plus hours of live content. Learn from faculties from IIT Guwahati, L&T, Shapurji Palonji. Learn 7-plus construction management tools. Balanced combination of theoretical and practical knowledge. Career support. Guest session by CXOs and networking. Highlights and USP of the program. Software assistance will be provided for the construction management tools like Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, etc. Understanding stepwise process in all engineering domains from lens of civil, mechanical, electrical engineers of large-scale projects in real estate infrastructure domain. Engineering, management, procurement, finance, etc., all involved in construction projects are covered with real case examples. Gain thorough, contemporary, and actionable knowledge of construction management through 5 case studies. Stay ahead with the latest industry trends and leverage network of top construction professionals and CXOs through regular interaction with them in course curriculum. A comprehensive curriculum. In this course, we will learn about project construction management. Then we will learn all about economics for construction. After that, we will learn new construction materials. We learn all concepts and fundamentals of project planning, methods and techniques. Then you will get knowledge about tendering and bidding, followed by contracts and claims management. We will learn advanced tools like Primavera P6 and Microsoft Project to enhance your skills. After that, we will learn about finance management and project budgeting, then property and land management, and risk management. We'll also learn how to make earthquake and fire-resistant structures, how to take care about health and safety management. Case study and capstone project. You will be doing case study of risk assessment and planning of G+45 high-rise building. Primavera P6, G+12 building. Microsoft Project, G+32 building. Tendering and Contracting of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, Phase 3. Primavera P6, Bhopal Metro Project. Land Acquisition and Property Management of Mumbai-Pune Expressway Project. Integrated Building Management System for Mumbai International Airport, T2. And lastly, Capstone Project to enhance your skills. After successful completion of the course, get prestigious certificate. Our learners are at. Book a free discovery call now.